Hi, fine art photographers. Are you passionate about capturing the beauty of landscape, nature, and macro photography with your lens? Do you want to take your passion to profit? If so, then you're in the right place. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I help landscape, nature, and macro photographers like you transform your passion into a thriving business. My name is Janice Sullivan, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way with my proven coaching methods. And how am I going to do this? I'm going to do it with my step-by-step coaching. This is what I do for a living. In this channel, you're going to see beautiful places to photograph while I teach you business. And business can be so boring. That's why we make it fun. We do all kinds of stuff, like we're going to teach you how to choose your own schedule and increase your income and attract and connect with your ideal clients. And you're going to build a strong, recognizable brand. You don't know me because I haven't worked with photographers very much, just a little bit of photographers, but the clients that I've worked with have asked me the same question. How do you make money, Janice? How are you doing it? So I've focused on this channel to help you and make it fun. On this channel, I'll share valuable insights and practical tips on effective marketing strategies for fine art photographers. Oh yeah, networking techniques, even for introverts, which I was at one time, creating and selling high quality prints if that's what you want, and digital projects if that's what you want. And of course, navigating the fine art photography market. Let's do this, people, because your work makes a difference. And why not make money? Look at how pretty this is. See that? Can you see it? I don't even know if you could see it. There you go. Look at these flowers. Ooh, I can't wait to photograph them. Okay, back to business. I do a lot of behind the scenes stuff. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your business to the next level, this channel is your go-to resources. This is the only channel that I know that only focuses on the business side for fine art photographers in the landscape, nature, and macro fields. So subscribe now and join the community of photographers who are turning their dreams into reality. It is the only channel that I know that really focuses on people like you. We give you actionable steps, so you save the videos and do the steps with me so you can complete what I ask you to do so you can be successful. And of course, I'll give you tons of inspiration. No question is a dumb question. Ask me questions down below and I may just make a video for you. Or what we'll do is we'll try to guide you to somebody that can help you. Our mission is to make you successful and believe that you can really do this like I have. If you would like a marketing checkoff list with a complimentary video that helps you focus on the steps that you need to do for your marketing adventure, the link will be down below. It's pretty amazing. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.